Hi all of you, a very good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel Take in Maths. मैं निवेश कुमार दास इस वीडियो में ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज एंड आइडेंटिटी जेई के PYQ क्वेश्चन अप्रैल सेशन का सॉल्व करने जा रहा हूँ. सो हियर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 10 9 डिग्री माइनस 10 27 डिग्री माइनस 10 63 डिग्री प्लस 10 81 डिग्री इज. सो इंटीजर टाइप क्वेश्चन है. सो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन? बेसिकली just I write here what here 10 9 degree, okay, 10 27 degree here 10 27 degree 10 डिग्री को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ यहाँ पे 1090 माइनस 27, राइट, 1090 माइनस 27, सो दैट इज 63. एंड 81 को क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं? 81 को मैं लिख सकता हूँ 90 माइनस 9. सो नाउ वी कैन राइट दिस एज 10 9 डिग्री and minus 10 27 degree and minus this one is what 10 90 minus theta is cot theta, so we can write this as cot 27 degree and 10 90 minus theta here also, so this becomes what cot 9 degree. Now I will combine the two result here, the 10 9 degree plus cot 9 degree, okay, and from this two I will take minus common, so this is what here 10 27 degree plus cot 27 degree. So just I will write this 10 9 degree as sin 9 degree by cos 9 degree and cot 9 degree as cos 9 degree divided by sin 9 degree, okay. And for this I will write it, convert everything in sin and cos. So sin 27 by cos 27 and for cot 27 I will write here the cos 27 divided by sin 27, okay, fine. Now I will take the LCM here for this bracket, so this is what cos 9 and sin to sin 9, so this will be what sin square 9 degree plus cos square 9 degree. For this bracket the LCM will be cos, क्या हो जाएगा cos 27, ये हो जाएगा cos 27 और cos sin 27 and so the numerator part क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे sin square 27 and plus cos square 27. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, so we can write this result as 1 by, so we have here the 1 by, क्या है अपने पास 1 by sin 9, this is what sin 9 and cos 9, right, cos 9 minus what 1 by sin 27 cos 27. Now what I do here is I just multiply here 2 and here also 2, यहाँ भी 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ, यहाँ भी 2 से 2 sin a cos a का फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा sin 2a, so this becomes what sin 18 degree and this becomes what 2 by sin 2a, so 54 degree. sin 18 डिग्री की वैल्यू जो है sin 18 डिग्री की वैल्यू जो होता है वो दैट इज व्हाट √5 minus 1/4. I will explain the derivation of this, right, and sin 54 की वैल्यू जो है हम वी कैन फाइंड दिस वे, sin 54 की वैल्यू को हम इस तरह से फाइंड कर सकते हैं, वी कैन राइट दिस एज cos 36, right, cos 36, this will be what cos 36, okay, 36, right, 90 minus sin 90 minus 36 is 54, so we can write it cos 36 and for cos 36 we can write 2 into 18, so cos 2a का फार्मूला क्या हो जाएगा 1 minus 2 sin square a, so 2 sin square 18, right, so 1 minus 2 sin 18 is √5 minus 1, we have to just learn this value by 4 the whole square. So अगर मैं इसको सिंप्लीफाई करूँ, so this will be what here, ये हो जाएगा क्या यहाँ पे सिंप्लीफाई करने पे 1 minus 2, right, and this is what 5 plus 1 minus 2 √5 divided by 16, so this is cancel out, right, this is cancel out, so we get here the 8. Now if we simplify here the sin cos sin 54 or you can say cos 36, right, cos 36, so we get here what that is 1 minus 6 minus, so we can write here 1 minus 6 in bracket what 6 minus 2 √5, right, divided by what, divided by we have 8 here, right, so we can just take else 2 common here, so this is what 3 minus √5 by 8, so you can cancel this 4, so now take the LCM, so 4 minus 3 plus √5 divided by 4. Okay, so we get here the 1 plus root 5 by 4, 1 plus root 5 by 4. So sin 54 degree or cos 36 degree is what? Root 5 plus 1 by 4, root 5 plus 1 by 4. So we use this value here, right? Sin 18 degree की वैल्यू मैं यहाँ पे यूज़ करता हूँ. तो sin 18 is what? Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4, and sin 54 is what? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. So this way we get what? ये हो गया 8 by what? Root 5 minus 1 and minus 8 by root 5 plus 1. Okay, now I will take 8 common and will take also the LCM. So after taking 8 common, so we get here the root 5 minus 1 minus what? 1 by root 5 plus 1. Okay, so here what is that? Take the LCM. So LCM will be what? Root 5 minus 1 into what? Root 5 plus 1. So this is what? Root 5 plus 1 minus what? Root 5 minus 1. So now see here. So we get here the root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1 divided by a plus b, a minus b. So we can write this as root 5 the whole square minus 1 square. So here root 5 and root 5 get cancelled. So we get 8 into 2 divided by what here? 5 minus 1. So this is what? 8 into 2 divided by 4. Now cancel this out. So we get here the 2 into 2, 4, right? So the answer for this question is 4, right? Answer for this question is 4. Now what I am going to explain how do we get sin 18 degree, that derivation. Okay, that will help you to build your concepts. So sin 18 degree we just we use the result basically root 5 minus 1 by 4. Now to find this value, what I do here is let a equal to 18 degree, right? 18 degree. So I just multiply this by 5. So this is 5a equal to 90 degree. Now I write this as 2a plus 3a. 2a plus 3a equal to 90 degree. Now I take this 3a to the other side. So 90 minus 3a, right? Now I take sine to both sides. So this is what? Sine 2a. This is what? Sine 90 minus 3a. 90 minus 3a. So this is what? Cos 3a. Sin 90 minus 3a, cos 3a, right? Cos 3a formula is 4 cos cube a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, minus 3 cos a, and sin 2a formula is 2 sin a, 2 sin a cos a, right? I will convert everything in terms of sine, right? Because we need to find the sine 18 degree. So 2 sin a, 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a. I just take here the cos a common, cos a common. So this is what? 4 cos square a, 4 cos square a minus 3. Okay, now I take everything to the left. So there we can take cos a common. So this is what? 2 sin a, 2 sin a minus what? 2 sin a minus this one, 4 cos square a, 4 cos square a minus 3. Okay, equal to what? 0. Now this is cos a, right? Cos a. This is 2 sin a, 2 sin a, and so I will convert this in terms of sine. So cos square a is 1 minus sine square a. So I write here 1 minus sine square a, and this minus minus plus 3 equal to what? 0. So cos, we basically get the sine factor here, right? The two factors. So here the 2 sin a, I just equated this factor to 0. 2 sin a, this is what? Minus 4 plus 4 sine square a, 4 sine square a, and plus 3 equal to what? 0. So we get here the 4 sine square a, 4 sine square a plus 2 sine a, plus 2 sine a, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1 equal to 0. Now we can just assume that that sine a equal to x, sine a equal to x. So we get the equation here, the 4x square. If you see here, so the equation of 4x square plus 2x, 4x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to what? 0. Now we can use the quadratic equation formula, that is what? Minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so minus b, so minus 2 plus minus root b square, so 4 minus 4ac, 4ac, so plus 16 divided by what? 2a, so 2 into 4. So we get here the minus 2 plus minus minus 2, this is what? Minus 2 plus minus root 20, right? Divided by 8. Okay, so the minus 2 we can write this root 20 as 2 root 5 divided by 8. So we can take here the 2 common. So 2 common, so minus 1 plus minus root 5, right? Divided by what? 8. So this is cancel out 4. So we get here the minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 and minus 1 minus root 5 by 4. Since 18 degree, this is what x, that is what? Sin a. Sin A is what? 18 degree, right? Sin 18 degree. This value will be neglected as angle A, this 18 degree lies in first quadrant, so this must be positive. So sin 18 degree is what? Root 5 minus 1 by 4. So this way you learned how to find the sin 18 degree value. Okay, so that's value this value we applied in the question, right, to solve the question. Okay, let us continue with the next question. So what is the next question? Question number. So in this question what we have here is 36 in bracket 4 cos square 9 degree minus 1, in other bracket this is 4 cos square 27 minus 1, 4 cos square 81 minus 1, 4 cos square 243 minus 1. The value of this is what? So 36, what I do here is I write here the 4 cos square 9 degree minus 1, and this is 4 cos square 27 and into here cos square 81. So 9 and 81 is what? Basically complementary angles, right? So we can write here the 4 cos square, this angle, this one, as 4 cos square 90 minus 9, okay, minus 1, and this one as it is. So 4 cos square 9 27, 4 cos square 27 minus 1, and for this one I will write what? 4 cos square, this is what? 243. So here I will write what? 270 minus what? 270 minus 27, 270 minus 27 minus 1, okay. So that is what? 243 basically. So this becomes what? 36, this is what? 4 cos square 9 degree minus 1, and here what we have? This is what? Cos square 90 minus 9. So 90 cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So we can write this as 4 cos square, 4 cos square, 4 sin square, this will be what? 4 sin square 9 degree, right? Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So we can write this as sin square 9 minus 1, and this one is what? 4 cos square 27, 4 cos square 27 minus 1, and this, for this part we can write this as 4 sin square, right? 4 sin square 27 minus 1. Now I will multiply this 2 factor together and this 2 factor together. Okay, so what do we get here? 36, right? 36. So multiplying this is what? 16, 4 into 4 16, cos square 9 sin square 9, right? Cos square 9 sin square 9, then minus 4 cos square 9 degree, and minus 4 sin square 9 degree, minus plus 1. Then for this bracket, this 2 brackets, so this is what? 16 sin square 27 cos square 27, right? Cos square 27 minus what? 4 cos square 27 minus 4 sin square 27, right? 27, and minus into minus plus 1, right? So now what we can write this as? We can write this as 36, right? This is what here we have here the 16, so we can write this as 4 into, so we can write this as 4 into 2 sin 9 cos 9, 2 sin 9 cos 9 the whole square, and here we will take common what? So 4 common, so this is what? Sin square, if you see here the sin 4 cos square 9 degree plus sin square 9 degree, so we will write here the 4 cos square 9 degree, 4 cos square 9 degree plus sin square 9 degree, and plus 1. For the other bracket what we have? We can write 4 2 sin 27 cos 27, right, the whole square, minus 4 we will take same way common, so that will be cos square 27 plus sin square 27, and what? Plus 1. So now you can see here this is 36, this is 4, and for 2 sin a cos a formula will apply here, so that is what? Sin 18 the whole square, right? This is 4 and this result is 1, cos square 9 plus sin square 9 is 1, so 4 into 1 is minus 4 plus 1, and for this bracket 4 and this will be what? 2 sin a cos a, so that is what? Sin 2a, so 54, sin 54 the whole square, and minus 4 again here this value is 1, okay, and plus 1, okay, plus 1. Now we can write this as 36 4 sin 18, this is what? Sin square 18 degree, sine square 18 degree, okay, minus 3, right. And so this one is what here 4, and this is sine square 54 degree, minus 3, and we know already the value of this 2 result, that is sine 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4, right, the whole square, minus 3, right, minus 3, and here the 4 sine 54 is what, basically root 5 plus 1 by 4 the whole square, right, minus 3. Now we will simplify this 2 part. So here we will write here 36. So I write here 36 in bracket what, in bracket we have here the 4, and I write this as 4 what, 4, and expanding this root 5 minus 1 whole square. So 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 divided by what, 16, okay, and minus 3, okay. So this part, and the other part we will expand again, the other part, other bracket. So here the 4, and it will expanding this, so 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 a plus b the whole square divided by what, 16, and minus 3. So just cancel this out here. So this is what, 4 times, cancel this out, so this is also 4 times, so this is 36, right, 36, and take this, write this as 6 minus what, 2 root 5, and minus what, 12 divided by 4, okay, for this bracket, and for this bracket take the LCM 4 here also. So 6 plus 2 root 5, 6 plus 2 root 5 minus 12, okay. So just simplify this, this is what, 36, here what we have, minus 6, so you can write minus 2 root 5 6 minus 12, so minus 6 by 4, okay. And for this part, this is what, 2 root 5 minus 6 divided by 4, okay, fine. So now what we can do here is just cancel this out, so this is 9, and also take minus common, so this is what, minus 9, so this is what, 2 root, we can write here 2 root 5 plus 6, 2 root 5 plus 6, this is what, 2 root 5 minus 6 divided by 4, okay. Now this is what, a plus b, a minus b identity applied, so 2 root 5 whole square minus 6 square, okay, divided by 4, so we get here what, minus 9, this is what, 2 into 4 into 5, 20, right, 20 minus 36 divided by 4, so this is minus 9 and minus what, 16 divided by 4, okay. So cancel this out 4 times, and 9 4s are 36, minus into minus plus 36. So if we see the option, so correct option is option 4 is the correct option, okay. Now we have the third question here, the question number 3. This question is also asked 10th April 2023 shift 1 का ये question है. So what is the question here? Basically you have given here, the question is 96 cos pi by 33 into what, cos 2, we can write this way, 2 into pi by 33, and this is what, cos we can write this 4 we can write 2 square pi by 33, and again we have what, cos 8 pi, so we can write this as 2 cube pi by 33, and then we have what here, cos 16 pi, so we can write this as cos 2 to the power 4 pi by 33. So above formula you can apply to solve this question. So what we have here, the cos a, cos 2 a, cos 2 square a, cos 2 cube a, so on, cos to the power 2 n minus 1, a is what, basically this is sin 2 to the power n a divided by 2 to the power n sin a. So here n is what, n is your, n if you compare here, the n is 5, right, n minus 1 is equal to 4, n minus 1 is equal to 4, if you compare this, n minus 1 equal to 4, so we get n equal to 5, right. So now just we have to apply this formula here. So this is sin 2 to the power 5 a, right, divided by what, a means what, a means pi by 33, you can write pi by 33, okay, divided by what, here 2 to the power 5 and sin pi by 33. So we get here the sin, this is what, 2 to the power 5 is 32, so 32 pi by 33, this is 32 pi by 33, and this is what, 32, right, this is what, 32, and 96 we need to multiply here, 96 we need to multiply here, 96, and this is what, sin pi by 33, so here what we have, 96, this is what, 96 and sine 32 pi, so we can 32 pi by 33, we can write pi minus pi by 33, okay, and divided by 30, what is this, 32, right? This is what, 32 into sine pi by 3, sine pi by 33, sine pi by 33. So cancel this out basically 3 times. Now we get here the sine, and sine 180 minus theta is sine theta, so sine pi by 33 divided by what, sine pi by 33. So this value is cancelled out, so we get here the 3, right? So result for this is 3. If you see the option, so the correct option we have the first option. Hope you will be clear with this all solution and the concepts. I will come with the new sets of question and their solution. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing my channel so that I can upload more videos. Bye bye, take care.